Right, got you at the end of the lane. Mr. We were doing a C...
I didn't think you would reply to me.
I'm still setting myself up.
Oh dear. Are you recording then?
I am now, yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, so we were doing a CPT set yesterday, so I called him on here and silence. So I just went over to the base station. We've got that Unidem base, and is it 620? And he was there. I said, "You're on the wrong band." I nearly had to call him on ham. Okay, so we're on the customer's Amstrad 901. He's a radio ham friend of ours. He's been sorting this out himself.
Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you loud and clear at Ancaster service station. Unfortunately, the repairs eluded him, and he sent it in to finish it off on the receive. And it turns out someone's put a crystal filter in it if you looked at the repair video, which is totally incompatible, and so
Right, we're now
there we
square
are.
wheel at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads. So I'm sure I don't need to tell you all again that there's an Amstrad made in Japan, which is the £89.99 one, which is this one. There's the made in Hong Kong one, which was the £59.99 one. Exactly the same, but cheaper production. They don't quite work as well. And then there's a fake one, which was also made in Hong Kong. And when you open it up, you find the board looks like this. It's a dark brown board, and it has no screen printing. And this is the dodgy one, which was £29.99. And this gave the good ones a bad name. Oh, don't get one of those Amstrad 901s, they're rubbish. Yeah, but the £89.99 one isn't rubbish.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill and we go down in towards Wilson.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
And 21 from Chippie, now going round Scratchy Corner to Wilson.
Roger, very good. Got you going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. And the radio's doing 3.8 watts. And it's an Amstrad 901 genuine version.
All sounds well.
Roger.
Right, we're now going over Wilson level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Ah, Tango 21, Mr. Chippie at Kelby. You forgot Kelby, I don't know. Well, you're loud and clear. Roger, got you at Rawsby level crossing. That concludes the test, thank you. 10-10. Okay, that's absolutely fine. So, that can go back to the customer. Yeah, he'd done all the hard work. It was just, you know, if you're seeing these day in, day out, and you suddenly recognise that there's something a bit different. And there you are. So go over to our base station, and we'll see what it sounds like.
Tango 21, testing the genuine Amstrad 901 from 1981 into our Harrier CBHQ base station. This is with a standard replacement microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'll just switch on the Roger bleep. There's the Roger bleep.